ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Now this is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is one expression. This can be reduced. This I am multiplying and dividing by 2 for this. Dividing by 2, multiplying by 2. This is 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab. This is minus 2bc minus 2ca minus 2ca. I am multiplying and dividing by 2. Dividing by 2, multiplying each term by 2. So that is 1 by 2 into, so this a square plus a square, b square plus b square, c square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca minus 2ca. That is 1 by 2 of, you take 1 a square, 1 b square and this term. So this is a square plus b square minus 2ab plus, I am taking another b square plus c square minus 2bc plus, I am taking c square plus a square minus 2ca. So this is that equal to 1 by 2 of a square plus b square minus 2ab, a minus b whole square, b square plus c square minus 2bc, b minus c whole square, c square plus a square minus 2ac, c minus a whole square. So this expression can be reduced like this. So that is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to this. So this point is important point. Next one, same expression. If a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to 0, then a is equal to b is equal to c. A equal to b equal to c. How it is possible? A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to 0. Just see the point number 30. So in this 30th point you can put 0 is equal to 0. So that is also 0. So this is also 0. This is 0. This is 0. That implies this is by cross multiplication. So this is a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. So a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square is equal to 0. Suppose you take here x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. When it is possible? For what values of x, y, z it is possible? X square is always greater than or equal to 0. If it is 0 or always positive. Y square there is a chance maybe 0 or always positive because of if you take x equal to minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Y equal to minus 2, y square is positive. Z equal to minus 3, z square is positive. It is 0 when it is possible only x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z equal to 0. It is possible. It is possible. Only x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. Implies a minus b equal to 0 and b minus c equal to 0 and c minus a equal to 0. That is a minus b equal to 0, a equal to b, b minus c equal to 0, b equal to c, c minus a equal to 0, c equal to a. So this is a equal to b equal to c. Next one, x plus a into x square plus a square, x power 4 plus a power 4, x power 8 plus a to the power of 8 into x power 16 plus a to the power of 16 equal to by multiplying all these, it is little bit lengthy. So for idea is we know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So using this formula, so x plus a is there. If you have x minus a, so that's why multiplying and dividing by x minus a. So 1 by x minus a into x minus a into x plus a into x square plus a square into x power 4 plus a power 4 into x power 8 plus a power 8 into x power 16 plus a power 16. So this 1 by x minus a into, so this is This is x square minus a square into this is same x square plus a square into and so on x power 16 plus a power 16 1 by x minus a into again applying the same formula by repeated number of times. Again this is a minus b into a plus b. So here x square minus a square into x square plus a square is equal to a square minus b square, that is a power 4 x power 4 minus a power 4. So these two together x power 4 minus a power 4. Already the term is there, x power 8 plus a to the power of 8 into x power 16 plus a power 16. A power 16. Again these, sorry, one term is there. This is so these together x power 4 minus a power 4 into here it is x power 4 plus a power 4 is there. Again these two together, so that is 1 by x minus a into these two together x to the power of 8 minus a power 8 into x to the power of 8 plus a power 8 into x power 16 plus a to the power of 16. That is 1 by x minus a into again these two x to the power of 16 minus a power 16 into x power 16 plus a power 16. And again this is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So 1 by x minus a into x to the power of 16 whole square. 16 whole square, that is x to the power of 32 minus a power 32. That is x to the power of 32 minus a power 32 by x minus a. Note this point. Now some problems. If a plus b is equal to 5 and ab is equal to 3, then find aq plus bq value. A cube plus B cube. Already we discussed earlier about this formula. A cube plus B cube. Once again, A plus B whole cube formula. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. Into A plus B. From this, A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. A plus B. So, A plus B is given 5. 5 cube minus 3 into AB is 3. A plus B is 5. This is 125 minus 9 into, that is 40, 45, which is 80. Already I told in the earlier, so these algebraic identities are that plays a important role in mathematics. Everywhere. I think you know the knowledge about the trigonometry. Find the value of sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Cos power 4 theta. Or find the value of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. While solving these problems also, these algebraic identities that plays a important role. So, it is very, very important points. These algebraic identities you have to learn and write 2 or 3 times. Then you feel very easy and comfortable. Next question. If A plus B plus C is equal to 6, A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 14. Then find A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. 3ABC. So, first of all, you write the formula A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Already given A plus B plus C value 6, and A square plus B square plus C square is also given. So, we don't know the value of this. So, you can take minus is taken common, minus of AB plus BC plus CA. Our aim is to find the value of AB plus BC plus CA, then we get the answer. That's why for this, squaring on both sides, A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Of this I am taking 2 is taking common. 2 of AB plus BC plus CA. Now A plus B plus C. So this is equal to, and the value is 14 plus 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA. So this is 36 minus, take this side, 14 is equal to 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA. So this is 36 minus 14 is, that is 22, is equal to 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA. So 11 times cancel, implies 1 time. So this is 11 times. Therefore AB plus BC plus CA is equal to, the value is 11. Value is 11. Now here you can call it 1. Now from 1, from 1 is, this is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into, this is A square plus B square plus C square minus of, I am taking minus common here, minus of AB plus BC plus CA, that is equal to A plus B plus C, ఈ value is 6 into A square plus B square plus C square, value is 14 minus, and the value is 11. Therefore that is 6 into 3, that is 18. Plus 4b square minus 9a square c square. You see this? This is here a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square plus b square. So this is a square, a whole square minus 2 into a into 2b plus 2b whole square minus this is 3ac whole square. So this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b whole square, a minus 2b whole square minus 3ac whole square. Again this is of the form a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b, a minus b. So this is a, this is b. So this is a minus 2b plus 3ac into a minus 2b minus 3ac. So these are the factors. Next one, 9a square minus 6a plus 1 minus x square minus 8bx minus 16b square. 16b square. So this is 9a square minus 6a plus 1 minus is taken common x square plus 8bx plus 16b square. 16b square. First of all, this reduce into perfect square, this also reduce into perfect square. So this is a 3a whole square minus 2 into 3a into 1 plus 1 square. So this is a square minus 2a, b is 1. The value is 6a. If you are multiplying, this is 6a plus b square minus of this is x square a plus 2 into x into so this is 8bx 2x into what 4b 4b plus 4b whole square 4b whole square. So this is a minus b whole square formula. So this is 3a minus 1 whole square minus this is a plus b whole square formula. That is a plus b whole square formula. So this is x plus 4b x plus 4b whole square. Again this is a square. Again it is a square minus b square formula. That is a plus b into a minus b. That is, so this is 3a minus 1 plus x plus 4b into 3a minus 1 minus of x plus 4b. So this is a plus b, a minus b, a minus b. So this is 3a minus 1 plus x plus 4b into 3a minus 1 minus x minus 4b. So these are the factors. You try these sums. Next one. Resolve into factors. 8x cube minus 27y cube. 27y cube. This is 2x whole cube minus 3y whole cube. 3y whole cube. Using the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square. That is, so this is a, this is b. And ab. So this is 2x minus 3y into a square plus ab into 3y plus b square, 3y whole square. That is 2x minus 3y into, this is 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square. Next question. (64) a cube plus 343 b cube. 343 b cube. So this is 4a whole cube. 4a into 4a into 4a, that is 64a cube, plus this is 7b whole cube, because the value of 7 into 7 into 7. So this is 49 into 7, that is 63, 240, 343, 343. 343. So this is again a cube plus b cube formula. This is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. B square. So this is it is a 4a plus 7b into 4a whole square minus 4a into 7b plus 7b whole square. So it is 4a plus 7b into 16a square minus 28ab plus 49b square. A cube plus b cube plus 512. 8a cube b cube minus 125 c cube. 8x cube minus 729 y power 6. X power 6 minus 27 y cube. And 64x power 6 plus 125 y cube. 343 x cube plus 1000 y cube. 1000 y cube. So you have to try these problems. So I will explain anyone. This one, fifth problem. 8x cube minus 729 y power 6. This is 2x whole cube minus 729 is 9 into 9 into 9. So this is 81 into 9. That is 729. So you write 9y square whole cube. 9y square whole cube. 9y square whole cube. So again this is a cube minus b cube formula. So this is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is 2x minus 9y square. 2x minus 9y into a square. 2x whole square plus ab 2x into 9y square plus b square 9y square whole square. So it is 2x minus 9y square into 2x whole square is 2x into 2x 4x square plus these together 18xy square plus 9y square into 9y square 81y power 4. 81y power 4. So the rest of the problems you do it. So what I am saying is these algebraic identities are very very important. I repeated number of times important. If you are strong in these areas, you are confident while solving the problems. So you must read and write 2-3 times or 3 times or 4 times according to your confidence levels. Okay. Next question. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then find the values of x square plus 1 by x square, x cube plus 1 by x cube, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Find the values of x cube plus 1 by x cube and x power 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4. We know that a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab implies a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So this using this, first of all I have to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, this is x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. Here a is x, b is 1 by x. So these gets cancelled. X plus 1 by x is 2 square minus 2, that is 4 minus 2. That is 2. This is the first one. And second result, a plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A plus b. So, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So, x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to a is x, b is 1 by x. So, this is x plus 1 by x whole cube 3 into x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. That is x plus 1 by x is given 2. This is 2 cube minus these two gets cancelled 3 into x plus 1 by x 2. So, that is 8 minus 6, that is 2. And the next one, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to now the value is 2. So, by using the same formula for this, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to this is x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square. This is just like a square plus b square form. Just like a square plus b square, where a is x square, b is 1 by x square. So, this is x square by applying the same formula, x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2ab, 2 into x square into 1 by x square, 1 by x square. So, x square plus 1 by x square, that is the value is 2, 2 square minus gets cancelled, that is 2, that is 4 minus 2, that is also 2. Next one, resolve into factors. Resolve into factors. First one, x power 4 minus 16y power 4. 16y power 4. This you write x square whole square minus this is 4y square whole square. 4y square whole square. This is a square minus b square form. a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So this is where a is x square. X square plus 4y square into x square minus 4y square. 4y square. So this is same as x square plus 4y square into, again this write x whole square minus 2y whole square. 2y whole square. There is a formula for a square minus b square, but there is no formula for a square plus b square. A square plus b square. So again this is a square minus b square form. That is x square plus 4y square into, this is again x plus 2y into x minus 2y. So these are the factors. Now we do some problems. 25x square minus 64. 9a power 4 minus 25b square. 49x power 4 minus 16y power 4. 81x power 4 minus 49y power 4. 81x power 4 y power 6 minus 25 z square. Next one, resolve into factors. 2x minus 3y whole square minus 9z square minus 9z square. So this is 2x minus 3y whole square minus 3z whole square. 3z whole square. Again this is a square minus b square form. A plus b into a minus b. A minus b. That is 2x minus 3y plus 3z into 2x minus 3y minus 3z. So these are the factors. And one more problem. A plus b minus c whole square minus of a minus b plus c whole square. This is also treated as a, this is b. Again applying the same formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A minus b. So this is a 2a plus b minus C A plus B plus A minus B plus C. This is A plus B into A minus B. So this is 2A plus B minus C minus of, you can put minus, you can put the bracket, minus of, this is A minus B plus C. That is 2A plus A, 3A, B gets cancelled, C gets cancelled into, this is 2A plus 3B minus C, 2A plus B, 2A plus B minus C minus A, this is plus B and minus C. So this is 3A into these together A, and this is 2B plus 2B, and this is minus 2C. Minus 2C. You do these problems. A plus 2B whole square minus of 3x plus 4y whole square. (24x plus y whole square minus of 23x minus y whole square. X minus 7y plus z whole square minus 7y minus z whole square. X plus y whole square minus 9x square.